Hello friends, let's start with another live tutorial today. Again, I am reminding you the rules. First of all, search the query, try to find what the user wants, then try to find the thing from the instruction. If you are confident enough, go for the task. If you are not confident enough, try to watch all of my videos, and at the end you will have enough idea to rule over this task. Let's start. World's best mayonnaise. So basically here user query is more of an informational query. What is the world's best mayonnaise, or world's best mayonnaise, like this. And we have VPN required here. It's connected. Uh-oh, not giving us. Okay, try to use different countries. At the end you will find. Okay, this is again given mayonnaise, so I am going for the reason behind my selection. Here, how to and informational queries. So this one is world's best mayonnaise. It means it's informational query. So when informational query, then if the same thing is offered, here I am going to dig deeper this time. Like cookies recipe, and you have been offered with cookies. Printable blank certificate, and you are given only blank certificate. So these are basically what user is looking for, or finding information, or asking question about the thing. If the same thing is offered or similar thing is offered, then the result would be alternate. Okay, next, paper piercing patterns for beginners. Piercing patterns, what is this? Achieve precise results. Okay, basically these are paper patterns to cut clothes or something else. No, to cut, for cutting practice or making things. Okay, and here is paper piercing kit. User is asking for patterns, and offered is kit. Learn from this foundation paper piercing series designed by Shabby Fabrics. So it is a complete kit. So it is an alternate option because user would find it helpful for the same purpose. Aces women sneakers. Aces is a company, woman is gender, and sneaker is a product. So Aces women shoes. Aces here you can see is a brand, and we are given with Merrell women shoes, sneakers basically. So it is more or less similar thing, but the company mismatch. So why I go for in case of brand mismatch, but the product is same for alternate option? Here is the reason. uh, okay, the ad lining page is close to what the user want, but missing an attribute. So missing is not a mismatch. Please remind this. Missing means an attribute is present in the query but not on the page, or you cannot find it. But mismatch is something else. A mismatch means the attribute is present in the query and in the ad, both present but doesn't match. It means something is mismatched. So in that case it is, uh, if the information is missing, it should not be considered a mismatch. So remind these things in your mind. So next, going for mismatch, have a different mismatch for those specified, then this is alternate option. So in this case, Isis and Merrell, these are two different brands, so it is a mismatch. not a missing value. So in case of mismatch, you should go for alternate option. I hope this is clear enough. Then laptop re software. This re is typographic error. User is looking for laptop software. Adobe Acrobat Standard PDF software. But here it is not clear which software, computer and tablet software. It is a software, it is a for laptop, but this re software is confusing. So in any case, if Google and other sources are offering is it is a typing mistake, then you should go for exact, because it is at the end it is a laptop software. Nike Air Monarch. So don't try to don't be confused with this type of query, because this is nothing specific given over here. Is asking for laptop software. If anything is given like laptop software or any software, then it is exact match, because you don't have enough evidence to make made another decision. You don't have enough evidence. Nike Air Monarch shoes. Air Monarch shoes for men is a popular choice for their comfort. Okay, Air Monarch is specific model, and then again this is Merrell men's sneaker. And is this in black? No, this is not in black color, because this is a prominent white band. So black shoes means fully black, and in this case this is not fully black, and this is not relevant. Oh, why? This is the reason. Color or clothing shoe size mismatch. In case of color, if search specifies a color, the product on ad landing page should be of the same color the user search for, or heavily featured that color. It can be reflected in the image or adding expression. For in case of heavily feature, so yes, it is heavily featuring a black color, but the white is very prominent over black. So my verdict in this case, a user searching for black shoes would not go for this option. Due to color mismatches is not relevant. Snow Joy Vibram. Snow Joy is a trademark. It's a shrub. It's a deciduous shrub known for its abundant cluster of white flower. Okay. User is searching for this type of shrub, probably to grow at his home. This is shrub viburnum, but this is not that particular snow joy. This is something else. So it is alternate option. Might be consider this thing growing at his home, but this is not exactly the same thing. But in any case, product matches and the attribute mismatches. AED wall mount cabinet. AED Philips defibrillator cabinet semi recessed. So this is again similar cabinet, might be inserted into a wall cut, which is wall mounted, but it is not from the AED company. But you can look at here that it is, I think, show for it is for heart. In case of heart failure, it is used as emergency aid. So this is not from AED company, but it is from another company. So this is a attribute mismatch. In case of mismatch, product is same, you have to go for alternate option. Message from the Quran. Okay, message from the Quran is pretty vague query, because the holy book Quran is a complete message as a book, but what is the message from? Message of the Holy Quran. Okay, it is a book, but it is a message from the Holy Quran. Message of the Holy Quran. Mm, might be user is looking for same book, but it has typed message from the Holy Quran, and we are being offered with message of the Holy Quran. So I would go for exact match because might be user is looking for a book, because this type of query in general nobody makes. Red roses glitter. Red rose and glitter. These are three things. These are red rose but not glittery. So this attribute is missing. But here you can find that this attribute is neither present, so it is a mismatch because you cannot you cannot verify it present, but you can also verify it absence. So it is alternate option. No glitter is given, but only the red roses. Layered pixie cut. Layered pixie cut. So user is searching for a cutting pattern. Wig by Denim Carroll. This is pixie wig. But the user has not searched for the wig, it has only searched for the cut. Probably he wants to go for a cut, but he is not going to buy a wig, so it is not relevant because this is in this case product is mismatched. Casual western Chinese outfit. Western Chinese outfit. So from the images get a rough idea which type of western Chinese outfit is. Men's vintage tolling embroidered black western shirt. Oh, in this case it is clearly a mismatch because this is not related to Chinese at all. So in case of clothes, if search for specific clothing, shoe size, but in general a user looking for a Chinese outfit would not go for the American western outfits. So it is clearly a not relevant query. Then Macy's men's Ralph Lauren shirt and Oxford pattern. What is an Oxford pattern? Let's try to search it over in the form of images. Okay, Lauren has this signature short collars. Then this is the website Macy's as it is asked. Then men's. This is men's shirt, Oxford shirt, and it is a Ralph Lauren shirts in Oxford pattern. So all the attributes are matching here. So it is pretty good candidate for an exact match. Then pants for girls. Okay, for girls, Heinz little girls legging. Yes, these are similar thing like pants, but legging and pant might be. Okay, I am going to clarify myself. Is pants and legging same? Pants generally pull on like legging, but have not stretch or zipper close with buttons. Okay. Sometimes you have to search the very basic things. Little girls legging and pants for legging. So this is actually a pant in the form of, I'm going for exact because this is for girls and these are pants. Okay, trying to submit it. Oh, here your skill remains the same.